Aren't you handsome? Hi everyone. Having made a minor repair to my digger, I decided to take it for a test drive. Unfortunately, negotiating my land, I ran into trouble. Oh dear. Well, I'm not sure how that happened. That should have swung, and it obviously didn't swing. So I've got another job to do, but hey. But you can see that it looks as though the hinge is rusted off. Yes, it's twisted it. I think it just didn't move as it should do. Yeah, it's just taking it off on that part. Let us continue. So there we go. Good test drive. Went up some really steep places, so I'm pleased about that. Less pleased about the loss of the door, but hey, this is real life. This isn't about editing it so that you don't see really what happens. As I say, that is a question of it should have really rotated, and that is jammed there. Trapped that rope back there, but it's basically pushed it in. I think what happened, it pushed it in, locked it. It just wouldn't come back as it should do. I think the main thing is to say knock that back and grind it back and then re-weld it, but that's for another day. You know, it's been good to have a bit of fun, and I think when you own machinery like this, you've got to have a bit of fun. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.